Let's look at electrician's salary in Democratic Republic of the Congo. The average electrician income in Democratic Republic of the Congo is around 1,120 US dollars a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you take home $950, which leaves you with roughly $79 a month. While average electrician pay in smaller towns stays low, people in big cities earn noticeably more. For example, in Kinshasa, the electrician wages reach $1,320 before tax, or about $1,120 after tax. On top of that, cost of living is higher there, so that extra take-home pay might not buy as much as you think. When you start out, your electrician income stays well below this average level. Pay goes up fast during your first few years, but it plateaus unless you take on more responsibility. A university degree is not usually required for this job, though having an education helps you move into higher roles like electrical supervisor or maintenance manager. Because of that, learning extra skills in commercial or industrial wiring is a great way to boost how much does an electrician make in Democratic Republic of the Congo over time.